Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to this week's edition of New Makeup Sunday, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a brand new foundation from PUR Cosmetics that's really exciting. Also a new palette from Juvia's place that is super gorgeous. I can't wait to swatch that one for you guys. And also just some other things that I hauled throughout the week. I have a small Ulta haul and much more. So why don't we go ahead and get to it, and I'll see you back here at the end. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I just got a package from L'Oreal and they sent over their new Lash Serum solution. I haven't seen anything about this. I haven't heard about it. I haven't seen it in stores. So if you guys have, let me know down in the comments. Let us know what store you found this in if you did. I'm not sure if it's even out yet. But this says here, lash fringe looks denser and thicker after 4 weeks, and 7 out of 10 women saw less lash loss during makeup removal. So what I want to do is just, I guess, show you guys the ingredient panel, because sometimes lash serums can have some ingredients in them that can cause irritation. So I just wanted to show this to you guys, and you may want to just go ahead and pause the video to take a quick look. Okay, so this basically just says the exact same thing that it says on the box. These are some of the key ingredients here. So very interesting. I'm excited to try it. I always am up for a lash serum that's affordable. I've used Rapid Lash in the past and I really love that, but it is around $50, so I'm guessing this one is going to be a lot more affordable than that. So I will definitely keep you guys updated. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. I just got back from the mall. I ran into Ulta quickly and I saw this new Flower Beauty Warrior Princess mascara, which is brand new, and I've just started to see this kind of pop up a little bit on Instagram. It says that it has an hourglass brush, so this reminds me a lot of like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise or Too Faced Better Than Sex, but the before and afters look really good. It looks like one of those mascaras that gives more of like a fluffy look versus really clumpy, so I'm excited to try this out. It says lashes go royal with 112% softly fanned out volume and the luscious thickest lashes ever. It says that the brush coats every lash for silky luscious lashes fit for a princess. So I will definitely be trying this out and letting you guys know my thoughts. And also from Flower, I got these new tinted lip balms. I already opened this one, the Petal Pout Lip Mask, and I put this one on earlier today and I am in love with these already. This one is the shade Sangria. It looks really dark in the tube, but it's a really sheer kind of lip balm, so it doesn't go on this color at all. So I'll show you what the color looks like. It's just like the prettiest, really light kind of berry tint. It reminds me a little bit of the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. If you've tried that one, it just gives a really pretty kind of light berry tint. So I thought this looked beautiful on my lips, and this formula is incredible. It feels super like cushiony and soft. It's not sticky at all. Super hydrating. It made my lips look so smooth and plumped up. And I should clarify, it doesn't have any plumping ingredients. It doesn't tingle or anything. It also has no fragrance to it. What I meant was that it just is so moisturizing that it plumped up my lip lines. It filled everything in, made them look really smooth. So I just love this. I definitely want to go back and get some more colors. They were sold out of most of them, but I just grabbed this one. So I will definitely wear this in a video at some point so you guys can see what it looks like on my lips, but I just wanted to show you a swatch really quick and kind of give you a little bit of info in case you hadn't seen these, but so far really love it. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. I just got my order from Marc Jacobs Beauty and I had ordered the new Youthquake moisturizer. I saw this on Trendmood's Instagram and it was only available on their website for now, but I think it's coming to Sephora either later this month or in June, and it's $59, and I'll just let you know what some of the claims are. It says it's a Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream. And then on the back, it says, deep hydration, powerful pineapple enzymes, your glowy complexion starts here. Have it all. This multitasking moisturizer gives you major moisture magnitude and retexturizing results for a glowy makeup-ready canvas that looks instantly smoother, plumper, and more youthful. It has 5% encapsulated sodium hyaluronate, 54% enzymatic pineapple water, antioxidant-rich starfruit, and dragon fruit extracts. So I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the ingredient label in case you want to check that out. So I'm really excited to give this a try and see how it works. Let's open it up and check out what the texture is like. Here's just a quick look at the packaging before I open it. It's just really pretty and cute. All right, and then here's the texture. It just looks like a really thick, rich kind of gel cream, just like they said. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the back of my hand. Here's what it looks like before, dry as usual. All right, and then here is the after. My skin definitely feels really, really soft and a little bit more plumped up, so that's a good thing. I think the only concern that I have with this cream, looking at the ingredients, which I didn't look at before I purchased it, I just kind of purchased it without thinking, but even though it's called Youthquake, I'm surprised that there's no anti-aging ingredients in here. It looks like really just the pineapple fruit water that's supposed to be mildly exfoliating, and then some hydrating ingredients. So it's really just supposed to slightly exfoliate and plump up your skin with hydration, but it doesn't, like, I'm not seeing peptides, retinols, anything like anti-aging. So I think that's kind of interesting that they called it Youthquake. And you know, whatever, it's totally fine because I use serums that have anti-aging ingredients. So a lot of times I'm just looking for something to moisturize my skin at the end of the day. But I just wanted to put that out there in case you guys were thinking that this was an anti-aging moisturizer based on the name, because it really, at least to me, doesn't seem like it has anti-aging ingredients in it. But I'll do a little bit more research on it and let you guys know. I also just got a box from PUR Cosmetics, and they sent over their brand new 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Long Wear Foundation and Concealer, and this is actually amazing. They have 100 different shades. They sent me 3 full-size bottles and then a whole bunch of samples, which I'm really grateful for because that way I can swatch all these shades for you, but at the same time it's not a lot of waste. So here's just quickly in the booklet, you can see this is all the light shades. And they have 3 different undertones represented. So you have your golden shades, pink undertones, and then neutral. And then here, I don't know if you guys want to like pause the video and take a look a little bit closer, but here's all of the medium shades right here. And then this is the tan category. So there's so many, I mean, it's just crazy how many shades they did. It really, really is. And then there's a dark category and a deep category. And if you want to take a closer look, you can just pause the video really quick. So let me just see if I can see a little bit of information about this. Okay, so it says that it has a natural skin-like finish, that it's skincare infused to help protect the skin against environmental stressors like pollution and high-energy visible blue light, 100 true-to-you shades. So the energy complex is a combination of ginseng, green tea, and vitamin B that boosts the skin's natural metabolism and rejuvenates the skin's appearance. It has lingonberry extract to protect the skin against high-energy visible blue light. It has a polysaccharide film, which provides a protective, breathable film on the skin to shield the skin from environmental stressors like pollution. It has keratin complex, which helps smooth the skin and refines the skin's texture and tone. And blue zone inspired ingredients: olive oil from Greece, grape and black truffle extract from Italy, rice extract from Japan, and coffee seed extract from Costa Rica, which promotes skin's health and wellness. And then here's all the shades right here. So let's go ahead and just swatch these shades. They sent me 15 of the light shades. There's 20 in each category, so this is missing 5, but they probably just sent me the lightest ones that would probably match my skin tone a little bit better. But also quickly, I just want to show you what the bottle looks like, because it does have a pump right here, but then you can also open the cap, and it has a large doe foot applicator. So if you want to just apply it to one area, like underneath your eyes, like a concealer, you can do that as well, or you can just use the pump, which is probably what I would do most of the time. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch out all these colors. All right, so here are all the shades swatched out. I'll just go through them really quickly. So the first one is light pink 1, and then the second one is light golden 1, and then we have light pink 2, light neutral 2, light pink 3, light neutral 3, then this is light pink 4, this is light pink 5, and light pink 6. And I was wrong, they actually did send me some of the medium shades. So this is medium pink 1, medium pink 2, and medium pink 3. And then this one is medium pink 6, medium neutral 6, and medium golden 6. All right, so I'll definitely be testing this out and letting you guys know in a future video what I think of it. So far, I think I can definitely find a match between all these shades. I think probably, I don't know, I'm looking at this one right here, which I think is light pink 4. That one looks really, really close to me, but again, I'm gonna have to just try it on my face. So I will keep you guys updated. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I just got a package from Physicians Formula and they sent over their brand new baby butter box. This is really, really cute. It has mini versions of all their butter products. So inside we have the mini butter bronzer in bronzer, which is my favorite of the shades. We also have the mini butter blush in natural glow, the mini butter highlighter in pearl, a mini butter eyeshadow duo in barefoot in Brazil and sundown. And then there's a butter lip cream in the shade Bejos, and then Butter Paradise perfume, which I love. That smells so good. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a closer look. So this collection is exclusive to Walmart, walmart.com, and also physiciansformula.com. It doesn't say what the price is, but I can either put that on the screen or down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and just swatch everything really quick. The bronzer, like I said, this shade bronzer is my favorite. It's not too warm toned. It's just like a perfect neutral bronzer, and it's a really good color for my skin tone. And then the butter blush in the shade Natural Glow. This one's not necessarily my favorite color. This one doesn't show up very well on me, and I'm pretty fair. It mainly looks like a highlighter on my skin tone. It's very, very faint color-wise, but I do like some of their deeper colors that they have. I don't know, this one just doesn't show up. I kind of have to build it a lot, and it does have a sheen to it as well, so it really kind of reminds me of more of like a pink-toned highlighter. And then the highlighter they sent over is in the shade Pearl. This one is really beautiful, and their butter highlighter has more of that kind of bouncy cream texture like the ColourPop Super Shock highlighters. So here's what that looks like. I really do like the highlighters a lot. I'm really kind of partial to cream highlighters. Since I have dry skin, they just look a little bit more natural on me and not as powdery. And then as far as the eyeshadow duo goes, I wasn't really crazy about their eyeshadow palettes. If you remember my review a while back, they had a ton of fallout and they just were not my favorite formula, but dipping into these, they seem pretty good actually. So that's what that one looks like. There's like a shimmery bronze color that's really, really pretty. And I absolutely love these butter lip creams. I think the formula is so good. They're really nicely pigmented and feel very, very nice on the lips, really hydrating. So this color is exclusive to this box, so you can't get this anywhere else. So I'm loving all these colors together. I think you could just make a really beautiful kind of bronzy, beachy look. And the perfume, if you haven't tried it, is fantastic. If you're into coconut scents, it just smells like the beach to me. It's sort of a suntan lotion scent, but it also has some vanilla behind it. It's more of a complex fragrance than just like straight up coconut. It really, really smells good. It smells a little bit more expensive. So let me know down below if you've seen this out, if you've tried this kit, do you like it? What are your thoughts on it? If you want me to do like a review or maybe a full face using all the products, let me know that as well down in the comments. I also got my boxycharm today, so I just wanted to share with you what I got. The theme of this month's box is called Make Waves. So first up, we have the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. And this says it's a daily conditioning gel cleanser that gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. It has oat amino acids to condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. It's soap fragrance, SLS and SLES free, and all skin types approved. So this retails for $28, so already more than the cost of the box, which is $21. And I did see Lip Gloss Leslie had gotten her box earlier in the week and did a video on it already, and she said this was a really, really nice cleanser. So I'm super excited to use it. I can let you know my thoughts in a later video, maybe like a skincare update. And next I also got the Dose of Colors Bittersweet Liquid Matte Lipstick. So this one retails for $18. And it says that it has a velvety, high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in a rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but in a few minutes dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. So let me just do a little swatch for you guys so you can see this color. It looks like it's going to be kind of a bright orangey red. Not a color that I wear too often, but I may try it out and see what it's like. It definitely has one of those really lightweight, moussey, kind of velvety textures. So it'll be interesting to see how it wears and how it feels on the lips. I've never tried their matte liquid lipstick. I do have some of their glosses though, and really like those. They also sent over a Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadow, and this one is in the shade Cupid. And this says it's a metallic glittering liquid shadow that can be swiped on for full coverage, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. This retails for $22. This looks like it's going to be a beautiful color. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see how that went on? This is so beautiful. Wow. That is so stunning. It's not even like the slightest bit chunky. That went on so smooth and so opaque. I love the applicator too, how wide and flat it is. So this is really, oh my gosh, I definitely have to play with this one. And then from LOreal Cosmetics, they sent over their Colorette Blush Trio. It says, get your blush on with our new LOreal Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. And this retails for $22. I'm so excited to see them expanding their line a little bit. So let's go ahead and do some swatches. All right, so I think I could probably wear all three of these shades. I really love the middle shade a lot. This one here is kind of almost like a marigold shade. It's really interesting for a blush, and I'm kind of curious to see what that actually looks like once it's on my cheeks. This one is more of like your standard peachy colored blush with a little hint of shimmer to it, but this one in the middle is definitely matte, and this one is a little bit more kind of satiny. So you do have a few different finishes in here, but overall I think it's really pretty and really kind of fun for summer. And then last but not least, I have a brow definer from the brand Mellow. I've never heard of this brand before, but this retails for $18. And it says a non-greasy, easy glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game. The triangular tip makes for easy hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures that your brows won't smudge. So I'm not even sure what color this is. Let's see. This is in the shade Chocolate. So it looks like it might be a little bit kind of warm for my skin tone, but let me just... Actually, no, it's not super warm toned. It's kind of, I think, more of a neutral brown. It also has a spoolie on the other side. So anyway, guys, I'd love to hear what you got in your boxycharm. If you got some different things, I have seen some unboxings of these, like I said earlier in the week, and they definitely got some different products than I did. So I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Hey guys, it's Friday and Juvia's Place just sent over their brand new Nubian 3 Coral palette. I am so excited for this one. I think this is one of the prettiest ones they've ever done. I just love these really soft, easy to wear colors, and I'm obsessed with these grays. I'm really getting into gray eyeshadow again. I've always liked gray, but for a moment there it was kind of out of style. Everybody was wearing all the warm tones, and now the cooler tones are back. I'm so excited. This is a really nice mix of warm and cool shades. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Juvia's Place eyeshadows are some of the creamiest and best, most pigmented eyeshadows that I have in my collection. So I know this is going to be amazing. I also do have an affiliate code for Juvia's Place, so I'll put that up on the screen as well as down in the description box. It'll save you 10%. So this palette's $20. It'll save you an extra $2. So let's go ahead and dive into some swatches. So here's the entire palette. I think this is gorgeous. I cannot wait to put it on my eyes. And the shimmer shades, as you saw, they swatch like butter. The matte shades don't always swatch the best, but they apply to the eyes beautifully. At least that's been my experience with their other palettes. It's really hard to judge eyeshadows from a swatch. I mainly just do it so that you guys can see the colors. So I built up the mattes just a little bit more so that you can see them better. And I really don't mind building up mattes on my eyes too much. As long as the shimmer shades are really strong, that's kind of what I look for. And with mattes, I actually prefer a more buildable formula just because they're easier to blend out on the eyes. So I'm super excited about this palette. If you guys are planning to order, don't forget to use my code down below if you want to save an extra 10%. And if you'd like to see a review on this palette and some looks with it, definitely also let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, that does it for this week's edition of New Makeup Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you'd like to see reviews on going forward. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, especially if you love hauls, because I do these every single Sunday. I also do a ton of drugstore reviews. If you like drugstore makeup, you definitely don't want to miss that. That way my videos will show up in your subscription feed and you won't miss a thing. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.